Do you need to hide your Instagram posts, whether those are photos or reels, from your profile without deleting them? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to hide your posts temporarily and keep them safe for later. Whether you need to take a break from certain posts or just want to clean up your profile, this quick and easy method will work perfectly. And don't worry, if you change your mind, I'll also teach you how to unhide them and bring them back to your profile whenever you're ready. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss this important step. So I'm going to open the Instagram app on my iPhone or Android device and then go over to my Instagram profile. Let's say I want to hide these photos and this reel from my profile, but I don't want to delete them. I'll open that specific post, then tap on the three dots right here and click on Archive. Instagram will now hide this specific post from our profile and it will put it in a safe place which only we can access. I'm going to repeat this step for the other photo and for the Instagram reel. As you can see, the posts and reel are removed from my Instagram profile and I'm only left with these photos. But what if you change your mind and you decide that you want to get those photos or video back to your profile so that anyone can see them? Well, that's pretty easy too. From our Instagram profile, you'll want to tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner of the screen, which will open our Instagram settings. After that, I'm going to tap on the Archive section. Tap here and select Post Archive, which will then show us all the posts and reels which we hid from our profile. In order to get this post back, for example, I'm going to open it, then three dots once again and select the Show on Profile option. That is how we can hide and unhide posts or reels from our Instagram profile. If you want more similar Instagram and other tutorial videos, make sure you subscribe to Tutor, and I'll see you in the next one.